All right, so it takes 7 quarts total after looking it up online. Child, get over here now. Come here. So my kid running off, doing stuff she's not supposed to, of course. She's not supposed to be running off. So we're gonna watch this on the back. We're gonna check it regularly because we'll be down a half quart. We should be at number 4. 4.5 quarts. 1, 2. Okay, so at 4.0, we will be good to stop. One more. Almost. What are you doing? Why? So we're actually going to go down. Dada's not in the house? Wow. Daddy left? Yeah. Is his car up there? No. It is up there? Yep. Wow. Okay. That's not good. Yeah, that's the oil change.